Hi everyone. Today's topic is about how we can teach computers to understand better. The speaker of this talk is Fifi Lee, and it was delivered around 10 years before in March 2015. Speaker Fifi Lee here. First of all, she introduces about the computer vision, and she takes the example of a small child and the growth of a small child in nurturing that. How does child starts learning from 0 to 3, and then he understands from the real world examples, and what he see he understands. But for computers, it's not easy to see and to understand. That's what is called a computer vision. The speaker explains that how cameras capture lifeless numbers, unlike human brain, which actively interprets the visual information. So the initial approach in this regard is to teach the computers about object recognition, which involves the programming mathematical descriptions, but actually it proved inadequate due to the infinite variations of objects. Then she talks about the ImageNet project, which was a large scale effort that included people from various countries to create a massive database of labeled images and thousands, to train the computer algorithms, and it helped a lot. Uh, uh, Later on, how this image project uh, was helpful to create the convolutional neural networks, which worked well to the significant advancements, leading to the significant advancements in object recognition. Now, the video uh, talks about that how computers are capable of generating human like sentences to describe the content of images, combining the visual and linguistic understanding, which in other terms we can also call natural language understanding. uh, the speaker, although acknowledges that the progress has been done, computers are doing work, but computers still make mistakes, and they lack the deeper understanding and emotional intelligence that humans possess. So their initial understanding level may be like a 3 years old child, and we have to take it till the 13 years old child, which is a very long milestone. But uh, the future applications of computer vision, um they are to see further, including in the departments of healthcare, transportation, and exploration, and as well. So the speaker emphasizes the collaborative relationship between humans and machines, which could go further to give the fruitful results for the society across the globe. Thank you.